Your interactive display does more than you know. Here are some tips and tricks when using the board. Number 1, you can use any size utensil for writing and drawing. Number 2, the contrast is adjustable, which can help those with light sensitivity. Number 3, the Select tool can help you cut and resize for better visibility. Number 4, you can change the system settings to make the screen more accessible to English language learners. Number 5, pair with another device like a Windows PC or Samsung Galaxy Tab to share your screen.